So tasty. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be doing for you a banana pineapple smoothie. Okay, so before I go into this video, remember to like, share and comment on my other videos. I have several other smoothie recipe on my channel, so go over there and at the place, like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for my supporters so far, and thank you for the ones that who are new coming on. Thank you for coming, thank you for sharing, thank you for liking. Okay, and remember to always leave me a comment on what you think about my videos. All right, so let's get right into the video. So my banana pineapple smoothies consist of these ingredients. I have some pineapple chunks here, I have a ripe banana, I have some blueberry, some whole milk and a yogurt. So, and I have my blender. So let's get started. So I'm gonna add the fruits to the blender. Yes, I'm gonna add these pineapple chunks. So as I said before, the pineapples are already cut up. You can buy them like this. If you don't like to peel pineapple, alright, you can buy them like that. Yes. I'm gonna add my banana. Easy, quick, 1, 2, 3. If you feel like you want something extra to eat, or you feel like you don't want any can't bother with the cooking for breakfast, it's easy. 1, 2, 3 and you have it. So the blueberry was frozen, is frozen, so I'm gonna add milk. I forgot my yogurt, so this is a small one. You can use any yogurt you prefer, guys. Anything you prefer you can use in your smoothie to your taste, to your liking. Okay, cover and I'm gonna blend. And there you have it, guys. So whenever you're using blueberry, it's a must, or it will have this color. No other color than this color. Blueberry is very strong, so it gives you that strong purple looking color. And there you have it, guys. Wow. All my smoothie is looking like the same, but it's not the same because of the blueberry. This one. Not because it's me make it, guys. This one with the banana, the real one. It's the real one. Yeah, real one, guys. So go ahead and check it out. Go ahead and try it. You will like it. Tastes so good. My recipe again is pineapple chunks, ripe banana, blueberry, some milk and a yogurt. No sweetener, just right. Okay, so go ahead and check out those videos before. My channel have several smoothie recipes. Go ahead and try them out, guys, because maybe you don't have these foods at home, but you might have the others that I did before at home that you can use to blend and make a smoothie. Remember, you can also use vegetables. not just fruits alone to make a smoothie. Okay, so remember to like, share, and subscribe, and leave me a comment. Tell me what you think about this nice smoothie. All right, it's very tasty, it's divine. Yes. So until my next video, bye.